colors here on the canvas were blended from neon red, neon orange, a pearl red, pearl purple, as well as a gray and purple. Now I'm pouring the layered colors from the cup to completely cover over the yellow straw that's being laid between the two canvas. Here I'm lifting each panel or each canvas to allow the paints to slowly drip down each canvas panel and let the design develop. Once you're lifting up the panels, the straw will release, of course, which will allow you to control each panel on its own, lifting it and letting the paint drip over just enough and leaving a clean negative edge for your design. Find me on YouTube, YMK Creations by Yvonne Mahoney King. There I'm going to do a lot of think tanks with new ideas in fluid art. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.